2017 Honda Civic Si. Got this map performance system. Part number, it's right there. For anybody that wants to order it. This is what it looks like. It basically does a resonator and muffler delete and replaces it with a smaller resonator. It's from the cat back, right there. And it's a 3-inch system all the way back. There's the stainless steel resonator. Then it continues 3-inch and it duals out to a double quad tips, blue flame. There's the original system that comes on it that nobody likes because it's too quiet. We like it loud. We don't like it quiet. There it is. That's what it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And this is the race edition, right? Race edition. There it is. Beautiful. Stainless steel. I'll let you guys hear. 2019 Honda Civic Si. Really cool car. I love SIs. They were the thing back in the day and they still are. Factory converter there. Resonator delete earlier in the year we did. Then continued 2 1/4. Then we did a rear muffler delete right there. They come usually one muffler here and one muffler here. He wanted to reuse his tips. His tip. So we said, okay, we'll reuse your tip. So we had to do a custom Y pipe on it right there. So when the muffler shop asked for a little bit more money on it for a muffler delete, that's why. Sound decibels, go ahead. It's about 96. It's not bad. Sure. Civic Si. Let us know in the comments. Let's hear it on the inside. Get on it. One second, Tim. On the Civic Si. And it's standard too.